outside. Look, today I'm about to be installing all these new parts that's on my dirt bike that's broke because it got hit by a car. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm dropping every week, multiple videos every week. I'm on the grind to 100K. But first we gotta get to 1K. So I'm on the grind to 1K. Then after that ain't gonna be 50K. Then after that ain't gonna be 100K. Then the 500K. Boy, if you don't get the M, you feel me? But that blueberry muffin stick, man, it been him. But I ain't really got too much to say right now, bro, in the intro, bro. I'm finna just get to it. Cause I don't know how long it's gonna take. So I'm finna hop right into it. Y'all gonna see me install everything. Let's get it. So look, let me show y'all everything that I just had to get for the bike. You know what I'm saying? Let me see the bike real quick. So look, first thing first, I had to get a new gear shifter, pro taper. I had to get me a new gear shifter. Cause look, it's bent up. You feel me? The thing toe up, like the car toe it up. You know what I'm saying? That's the first thing on the list that I'm finna be swapping out. Second, I got a new brake shifter. I mean a brake lever. The brake lever on here, right here. No, that's the clutch. This is the brake lever. It's gone. I don't got a brake lever. I got a knob. You feel me? So, hold on. We gonna figure that out later. But yeah, I had to get a new brake lever for this. And then, come on, one more thing. Boom. A bit pro taper clutch lever. You know what I'm saying? Bit pro taper. As you can see, my clutch is going like this whole thing is just, I can just snatch this off right now. It's toe up, you know what I'm saying? And I think I need a new clutch lever. I mean a clutch cable. I got one in the car. So if I have to, I might end up swapping this out too. And last but not least. No, not last but not least. I ain't gonna lie. The camera, man. I had to get an oil filter because I got to change my oil. And this the baby right here. Ooh, I had to get a clutch case. Let me show y'all this thing, man. This thing hard too, man. This thing gonna look good on my bike. And it's black, blue, and ooh, that thing gonna look good. Let me show y'all. So right here, cracked up. Like it cracked, all my oil came out right here. So I gotta replace this bag, you feel me? So yeah, I'm gonna get started on everything. So first, I don't know what I'm gonna start on first, but I'm finna just get started on something. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little excited. Yeah, I'm a little excited. So let's start off with this. Let's do this one.
Something easy.
Something like. How would them stickers? Oh yeah, you can get the stickers.
I just need one.
Ooh. That thing crispy, chrome.
This just take a little bit time now. Goddamn.
Say what, B?
Hey,
Came off.
man, but I ain't gonna lie, bro. That junk was just a little hectic because I ain't had the right tools for it. You be having the camera on the phone and shit.
I don't know why I be doing it. I don't not used to recording folks.
Shit, fuck it, I got another one right there. You feel what I'm saying? They had them old heads we talking when they got black and miles and cigarettes in their mouth and shit.
Man.
What how they were talking when I got cigarettes and shit in their mouth.
about 80, 90.
That's all you need to do. Why you looking? There's a man in the back.
It's pulling. Oh, you can adjust it.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
You did, I bet you.
Yeah.
You wouldn't.
Yeah.
And then say your back was fucked up where you done hit you in the back.
Yeah, get some money.
And listen, and get disability. Yeah. Oh, man.
You ain't want to have to work no more.
No more. Shit, get about 3,000 a month. Or more. Just
But
to
say
see it.
you gonna get hit in the head and have a who? A concussion?
Concussion. But if he hit you in the back, see.
Say your back broke or something.
Yeah, he knocked you off the bike. Man, my back hurt so bad. And then I always say, my back hurt.
Yeah.
And go to the doctor. What's wrong? Where you hurt at? He said, well, I'm just hurting bad. They can't detect it.
Yeah, they can't tell you if you lying or not.
Not with that back.
No.
Not with that back. They can't tell you your back not hurt.
You know what my daddy used to tell me when I was little?
What?
He said, son, your devil gonna be running through the earth like a roaring lion. he sure told the truth. And said, before the devil can do any damage, he got to have a body to get in. He got to get in a body.
Yeah.
So that's what he do. He's a spirit. That spirit get in you and make you do.
Bro, I just couldn't. Put out and score it. You do the next one, so you can go ahead. Oh, you gotta make sure they had the right thing. Oh, they all not the same? Oh, damn.
Oh, Mr. Rolling here. You gotta get it out of it too.
He gonna take it off.
Yeah, you gonna take it off, ain't it?
That's the clutches in there.
No. Too much. Oh.
You see the gasket?
Yeah, I was gonna say there ain't no gasket on there.
Yeah, sometimes it just come off with it. Don't crack it though, because just in case you
Ain't
mess
no
that one up,
gas
you can
behind
take it
it.
off and use it.
Reuse this.
That's the clutches in there. Inside of that.
That be dry. Oh yeah, that be dry.
Yeah, all the screws the same size except that one.
Right there.
What's going on, man? Are you good?
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. I put the case on.
Did you find your kids, man?
Huh?
Did you find the what you were looking for?
Yeah.
I'm scared. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous.
Once you start screwing it on, you're gonna be straight. You gotta put the thing.
It's the gasket part. I ain't never had to do shit with no gasket before.
Oh no, you put that bitch on wrong. As soon as you put some oil in there, it start leaking out. But it shouldn't though. It's a fresh ass gasket. Maybe. And if it do leak out, you could just do it again.
That thing, I don't want to do it again.
Shit. long as that gasket don't break, you straight. Hey, Angle, sit down on the floor. Then you have that big thing right there.
It look hard though, I ain't gonna cap. That bitch going stupid.
God damn, boy, I go stupid.
Ooh, we ain't have no oil. None. I ain't have no oil. Oh, this bike would have blew up, y'all, if I tried to ride it for real. Ooh, woo.
Fuck it, some niggas ain't even got no bike. All right. Yeah, let it, yeah.
Y'all don't like video that cause of this man. Y'all put L corn in the comments. L corn, this man here booty cake. But look, y'all. So look, update. I don't know what's going on. My new shifter I ordered, I couldn't get it on because it was too small. So I just adjusted this to make everything, you feel me? Don't hit the gas. Just let it idle. I got the clutch cover thing on. It look real good. I don't see no leaks or anything. I don't see no leaks. I'ma check it and everything. I mean, yeah, basically, bro, I got everything out in my brake lever. The dude sold me the wrong brake lever, so I'm out here knobbing right now. I'm gonna order another one of these, bro, but right now, I just gotta make sure everything else good, like it ain't giving me no other issues, because right now I just peeped some little stuff about it that I don't like at all, so I'm finna try to make sure all that good, make sure I ain't got no issues. Ooh, life of a dirt bike. I'm mad as hell. So my phone kept hitting me with the no storage, all that other stuff. I'm trying to record for y'all, let y'all see everything was going on. But a lot of stuff kept going wrong. Let me tell y'all what's been going wrong. A lot of stuff kept going wrong. So for one, the gear shifter that they gave me, the gear shifter that they gave me don't even fit. It don't work. The brake lever that he gave me don't fit. It don't even go on the bike. Then I put the clutch case on. That went on, you know what I'm saying? I think everything with that went good. But my clutch is not engaging at all. Like my clutch won't engage. So every time I put a clutch in and kick it in on the gear, it cuts off. I can't, it just don't work at all. And now I'm hearing a rattling noise inside of my engine over there on the clutch side. So now I'm finna have my boy AD come over here and look at the bike and stuff like that. But like, I'm real blowed. Like, everything ain't going as it planned. Like, this junk just really blowed me. Like, oh man, I just got too dirty, like extra dirty. Like, ugh. It just really went crazy on the mechanic, on my mechanic shit, you feel me? But I'm just gonna let y'all, I'm just gonna pick the camera back up. I don't know when I'm in this vlog, but I probably ain't even gonna drop this bit tomorrow or today, or like, I'm just probably gonna have this like a 2-day thing or whenever it get finished. Probably just gonna drop this when it get finished. But I don't know, man. I'm just update y'all, boy, man. I'm blowed, boy.